Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Welcome to 303 Willowbrooke Drive in the village of Brockport. This is a mint condition home right in the village. I'm Rob Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Let's take a tour. This home is in mint condition with a phenomenal open floor plan featuring a spacious living room with peaceful backyard views, open to a remodeled kitchen with newer wood cabinetry and Corian countertops with a flush mount single basin sink, and an open dining room, great for entertaining. The first floor also features a bedroom or laundry with an adjacent powder room, while the upstairs features 2 spacious bedrooms and a full bathroom, including an owner's bedroom with a double closet. Enjoy great storage with an attached garage and a full basement, plus easy maintenance with vinyl siding and newer vinyl windows. Enjoy the outdoors from this expansive screened-in porch overlooking the exquisite landscaping. This is a premier location on a charming neighborhood street with sidewalks, great for walking into the village of Brockport with the historic Erie Canal and college. All with close proximity to Lake Ontario with Hamlin Beach State Park, Buffalo, and Rochester. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 303 Willowbrooke Drive in the village of Brockport, one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist. Cheers to living here!